Hi, I'm Celinda, and this is my project about anticipation and emotional cycles in online shopping. In this video, I will briefly introduce the project's introduction, background, key insights, my design direction, and why this topic matters. This section examines the background and core problem of the project, exploring why adding items to a shopping cart often feels more satisfying than completing a purchase. Through platform design, promotions, and notifications, online shopping shifts from a transactional act to an emotionally driven experience, where pleasure peaks in anticipation rather than ownership. This section outlines the background and core problem of the project, exploring why adding items to a cart often feels more satisfying than completing a purchase. In today's digital consumption environment, platforms use carefully designed interfaces, promotions, and notification rhythms to sustain users' emotional engagement. As a result, online shopping increasingly relies on emotional stimulation, where pleasure peaks during anticipation and waiting rather than ownership. This leads to a key insight. Waiting is not a passive gap between purchase and delivery, but a deliberately designed emotional state that becomes consumable in itself. This section presents evidence from user behavior and data. Many users add items to their cart for the pleasure of imagining ownership, even without intent to purchase. Data shows that happiness peaks during anticipation and declines after purchase, suggesting that online shopping increasingly rewards imagining and waiting over actual ownership. This section introduces my design direction, expected happiness. The project examines how digital consumption systems construct anticipation as a primary emotional experience instead of focusing on buying. It explores waiting as a deliberately designed emotional state, questioning why anticipation often feels stronger than ownership and why satisfaction fades after arrival. This section explains why the project matters. It reveals how online shopping systems design and deplete happiness, often leading to impulsive behavior and post-purchase disappointment. By making these emotional patterns visible, the project encourages more conscious engagement with digital consumption cycles. Thank you for listening.